Hi, this is Randy McKinley, the CEO of the company Doctors, and I want to share with you how to use one of our MRI tools. It's the labor cost calculator, which I think you'll enjoy. There's always been a lot of mystery around labor, what I should be, and we've tried to demystify this. And with one of our tools, it makes it very easy to see where you're at related to your industry and a range so you can have an idea how well you're doing, if it's an opportunity area or not. So let me share the tool with you and how to go use it. See, here's the labor cost calculator, or we call it our labor cost MRI. And it's real easy. There's really four categories that you're going to fill in. Your industry, to drop down, not a problem. You can't break it. We have it locked down, so you just fill in the blank. So this was groceries, 1 to 50, or 50 to 250, or above 250. And then you're putting in your revenue that you made that month. Okay, it's your net sales minus your discounts and that sort of thing, then your labor and your payroll. And what you will see down below is we actually have it broken down by industry. So you have a good idea where that industry falls on a labor standpoint as well as executive pay. And when you fill that in, there's the second tab. If you go to it, it will literally turn it into a performance graph. It pulls what the industry is, the max, and where you relate to that industry. And if it's green on the right side, fantastic. If it's red, it's okay. We got some opportunities and we have some recommendations for you to make it easier. But I'll just show you real quick. If you could come up here, if the payroll and labor was a little bit less, and we come back to the performance graph, you can see the 22.9. So you'll know very quickly where you're at for your business, where it relates into the industry. And if you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you complimentary to give you some more insight. But it's one of our powerful MRI tools. So go enjoy. And there's many more if you go over to our website, thecompany.doctors.com, and check them out. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.